Hey, it's Hooks from Excellence Auto Detail. Today we're going to be working on this Lucid Air. We're going to be doing a full body PPF. For all of you that don't know PPF, paint protection film to protect from rock chips and scratches. We're going to be using Expel Ultimate Plus. Right now we're going to be working on the decontamination of the vehicle. It's got to do with thorough wash, get rid of any imperfections or contaminants that may be in the paint, and that's what my guy's doing right now. So what's crucial is when we're doing a full body PPF, we want to get all of the edges. So we want to make sure we get any dirt that may be trapped underneath here, on the sides. So we want to clean it very, very thoroughly before we start applying the film on, because once we put that film on, those contaminants are trapped underneath. So we're going to do our best to get 100% of it removed. So the Lucid got washed, it's prepped, getting ready to lay the hood down. So what we want to do now is make sure all the edges are clear of contamination, grease, and solvents. So I'm going to clay it one more time using this clay bar, and then a little bit of soap, and check it out. So even though I know my guy played this hood, I want to make sure that it's done correctly also. Not saying that he didn't do a good job, but just that one extra step helps. So right now we're tacking down the hood. We're basically trying to get all the fingers out of the hood, all the air bubbles out of the hood. So we want to get that good stretch, that good tack, so when we lay this hood down, it's going to come out flawless. So right now he's adding a tack solution, like a little alcohol and a little distilled water is our tack solution. He's going to stretch the Expel film down, and then he'll tack it down, and then the hood will lay perfectly down, and then we'll start going ahead and squeegeeing all the water. So on the Lucid, it has interesting body lines on the hood. It slopes down on the side, and then also has these curvatures here, these air inlets, which is going to be a little bit tricky. But traditionally, we'll start in the center of the hood and work our way this way. Hey guys, we just finished up the Lucid. It came out amazing. We did a full body PPF, full ceramic window tint, ceramic coating on the interior, ceramic coating on the wheels, the whole nine. So if you have a Lucid out there and you want to get it protected, check us out. Excellence Auto Detail.